Hello and welcome to this new video on how to enter Agoda promo code. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the Agoda official website, and when you're inside this website, you just have to look on the top navigation bar. There will be coupon and deals. So you just have to click on that coupon and deals, and the next web page will be open right in front of you. And here are the list of coupon. You just have to claim that coupon, and when you have claimed that coupon, you just have to go back to the Agoda's official website or home page. Now you just have to do your booking, and when you do your booking, then the promo code will be automatically added to that specific property, because all the promo code are not eligible for every property, and the promo code that is eligible for certain property, then you don't have to add manually the promo code that you have received. If that is eligible for that certain property, then it will be automatically added. So this is how you can enter Agoda promo code. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.